Starting a YouTube channel can be an exciting venture, but it also requires dedication and hard work. From creating content to engaging with your audience, there's a lot that goes into building a successful channel. But with passion and perseverance, you can create a channel that resonates with viewers and grows over time. In this video, we will walk you through the basics of editing your videos to make them stand out on YouTube. Let me introduce you Wondershare Filmora, a revolutionary video editor that incorporates artificial intelligence to make your editing process smoother and more efficient. Make sure to explore the video description for the latest offers on Wondershare Filmora to enhance your experience. Wondershare Filmora is available across all major platforms, including Windows, Mac, and mobile devices. For pricing, you have the option to choose between a perpetual plan or a monthly subscription, whichever suits your preference. Before starting the beginner's video editing course with Filmora AI, let's introduce you to the startup window. When you open the software for the first time, you will face a startup window. First option is New Project. To get started with your first video editing, below are some tools, like Instant Mode, where you will find all pre-built templates to create a video without wasting any time. The second is a built-in screen recorder to allow you to record your desktop while creating tutorial-based videos or something else. AI text-to-video generation is a next-level tool. Just describe what type of video you want to create, enter a prompt, and sit back and relax. There are other tools like silence detection, AI copywriting, instant cutter, auto beat sync, but here I'd like to highlight the avatar presentation tool, which is more handy for creating presentation videos. In the end section, you will find your locally recent saved projects. You can also save them into the Filmora cloud. Before starting your new project, it's crucial to select the video aspect ratio to ensure optimal display on various social media platforms, as each platform has its unique video aspect ratio. Once you click on New Project, you'll encounter an interface divided into several sections, each serving a specific purpose. Let's walk through them. 1. Media options. Here, you can upload videos, audios, and images. You'll find options like global media, cloud media, influencer kit adjustment, layout, and compound clip. 2. Stock media. This section offers AI images, a library, and partnerships with platforms like Pexels, Giphy, Pixabay, and Unsplash for free stock footages. 3. Audio. Utilize AI music, sound effects, and background music to enhance your video content. 4. Title. Add various types of titles to your videos, such as plain text, 3D titles, VFX text, with a wide range of templates available for easy drag-and-drop use. 5. Transitions. Transition effects can add a professional touch to your videos. Choose from options like basic, zoom, speed blur, slides, audio transitions, and more. 6. Effects. Explore a plethora of effects, including video effects, overlays, audio effects, New Blue FX, and Boris FX to enhance your video editing experience. 7. Stickers. Access a wide array of stickers directly within Filmora, including social media icons, emojis, like and subscribe buttons, and more for easy drag-and-drop integration into your videos. 8. Template options. This section provides templates for video intros, outros, cinematic sequences, logo reveals, and more, offering a convenient solution for creating professional-looking videos. Now, head to the media section and import your video, audio, or image files. Simply drag and drop them onto the timeline area one by one to start crafting your masterpiece. By selecting all clips on the timeline, you can easily move them around to add new videos. Just go to the stock media and find any footage related to your video topic, then drag it onto the timeline. You can place it on top of your clip or at the end of your last clip. If you want to cut extra parts from a clip, move the slider to that point, then press Ctrl+B or click on the scissor icon to split your video. After that, select the part you want to delete and press the delete button on your keyboard or click the delete icon in the toolbar. If you make a mistake, don't worry. You can undo or redo your actions. You can also zoom in and out on the timeline by clicking on the plus or minus buttons. On the timeline, you'll see 2 tracks, one for video and one for audio. You can add more tracks if you want to separate audio from video. Right-click on the video, then go to the menu bar and click on Detach Audio. Next, if you want to add text to your video, click on the text icon and choose either simple text or 3D text. You can easily adjust it on the timeline. You can edit this text by accessing the Property panel. Next, if you want to change the aspect ratio, simply click on the Settings button, then click Change Project Aspect Ratio. If needed, you can adjust the frames per second, FPS. Filmora comes with Copilot, which will assist you in video editing. For example, if you don't know how to remove the background, you can ask Copilot for help. Next, click on the crop icon or press Alt+C. This option helps us in video cropping and pan and zoom to make your video more interesting. To perform AI-based text editing, right-click on the video clip. Then, go to Editing Smart Edit Tools and select AI Text-Based Editing. Choose the language you prefer and wait for a few seconds. You can now easily delete silent parts with just one click. Select the brackets and delete them. These are silent parts of your video. Finally, click on Export on the timeline to complete the process. Now, let's add transitions to make the video more professional. Go to the Transition menu, drag and drop the transition between two clips, then adjust the length of the transition. This will provide a smooth effect from one clip to another. Without breaking the bank, discover a hidden gem. You can add more transitions according to your needs. Color grading. Now, select the clip, then go to the Property panel and navigate to the Color section. Adjust the color, contrast, temperature, tint, and saturation, or utilize presets to adjust the video color. Alternatively, you can use color wheels to enhance the color of the clip. You can further customize by accessing the Property panel, then selecting Video Basic, where you can adjust scale, position, or rotate the video. You can also flip your video, add video background, auto-enhance your video, adding different masks can make the video more interesting. You can also adjust the speed of your video. Compound clips can be useful if you have multiple clips on your timeline and you're feeling overwhelmed. To create a compound clip, select all the clips, then right-click and choose Create Compound Clip, or use the Alt+G shortcut keys. This option allows you to group any combination of clips in the timeline. Effects. You can add any effect by clicking on Effect and then dragging and dropping the effect onto the video clip. You can see how effects make our video cooler. You can customize effects by accessing the Property panel. Keyframe. A keyframe in video editing refers to a specific frame in a video clip where you set or adjust a parameter. These parameters can include attributes such as position, scale, rotation, opacity, and effects. Select your clip, then move the slider to where you want to add a keyframe. Next, go to the Property panel, choose Video Basic, and click on the Keyframe button to add your first keyframe. Move the slider again and increase the scale of the video. This will automatically add a keyframe. You can create cool effects using keyframes. Struggling to create high-quality video content without breaking the bank? Discover a hidden gem in the AI. Audio ducking is a technique used in video editing to automatically lower the volume of background music or sound effects when there is dialogue or voiceover in the video. To apply this effect, add background music, then select the voiceover file. Go to the Property panel, then to the Audio section, and enable audio ducking. You can increase or decrease the percentage to adjust it according to your needs. Struggling to create high-quality video content without breaking the bank? Discover a hidden gem in the AI video world that offers stunning results at a fraction of the cost. Below, you will find equalizer settings where you can apply different effects like classic, dance, rock, etc. Finally, click on the Export button. Before exporting the video, you can now create thumbnails for the videos. Filmora comes with different thumbnails, so you don't need to use another tool. Create your own style or use pre-built templates. Before exporting, check the project title, save location, and most importantly, the quality you are going to save. I used high quality. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to subscribe to my channel for more epic content.